Hey, what's up? My name is Cole Robbins, and today I'm going to be talking about my website I created for ELRC. So here's my website, and this is the homepage. My website is called Cole's Site for Learning How to Be a Coach, and right here I go through a brief description on what I'm going to do with my website, and then next is my biography page. Um, a quick little photo of me, and then I go through and talk about kind of who I am and what really got me into basketball as a kid. Um, and then I go through and talk about my hobbies and kind of my aspirations and just give people reading just a background of who I am. And then next is resources. This page is all about um, how to be a coach. It's for people to go in and kind of go through and see the generals of coaching. The first one is just positions of basketball. Some people might not even know what positions in basketball are. And then next is coaching youth basketball offense, because offense is essential because you need a score to win the game. And then coaching basketball defense, you got to defend in the game. A general website about coaching youth basketball, and then improve your basketball game by focusing on the fundamentals. And then next is my favorites page. I created a small slideshow of some interesting facts people might not know about basketball. I really enjoyed doing that because, of course, I know all the facts that I put in there before I even looked online and kind of credited my slideshow. But I figured other people didn't, and it kind of talks about like who created basketball, some rules that were changed from the beginning to now, some good stuff. Next is technology projects. Here's my digital story that I created. I did it on the fundamentals of basketball because without fundamentals in basketball, I mean you can't play the game effectively. And so that was really fun to make. I really enjoyed doing that project. Next is PLE and PLN. Kind of talk about what it stands for, what it is, and then I have my web diagram of it, and then my chart at the bottom of the page with blogs, creation tools, and microblogs. Give some examples of that there. And then next is the mobile app that I did. This was kind of coincidental how I got assigned to do the explain everything whiteboard app, because as a coach you use a whiteboard a lot to draw up plays and everything like that. So I kind of go through and talk about what I liked about the app, what I didn't like about it. Um, that was fun to do. And then I did my website evaluation. I did mine on a website that everybody should know. I used a lot as a kid. Mine was a Starfall. I guess people reading this would kind of go through and see maybe some details about the website that they didn't know before. Because I used it a lot as a kid, but I didn't know a lot of the stuff that I was answering questions on. So that was interesting. And then next is my Apple teacher certification. I got this. It shows that I'm certified to use Mac through Apple. I'm an Apple teacher, I guess, per se. And then at the bottom here, I have contact information when I really become a coach, I guess, in the future if I do. And then I have my last revision date, which is obviously today. And then I have my tech blog page, which was enjoyable to make. This is my blog. It's called Coaching Basketball for Fun. At the bottom here, I have another little picture of me, kind of who I am, where I coached previously. And then upwards, I have the Educator's Guide to Copyright and Fair Use, just the assignment that we were made to do. And then I had probably the most fun thing I had typing up what is a wiki and how it can be useful for someone like a basketball coach. I thought this was really interesting because it let me think about ways that a coach can connect to its players without just hands-on things. And I got to go talk about like how a coach could use a wiki to kind of help a team be motivated. So that was really fun to do. And then going back to my website, the last thing that I'll be inserting here is the screencast, which is what I'm creating right now. So overall, I really enjoyed creating a website. I thought it was a really good experience, and I would definitely recommend this class to other people. So yeah, there's my website.